Have you ever heard the phrase, "Write it and they will come"? Well, that's the fastest way to publish a book that nobody reads. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an audience before you even write a single chapter, so that when your book finally drops, you already have people waiting, excited, and ready to buy. Whether you're writing non-fiction, fiction, self-help, romance, or memoir, these strategies work. Let's get started. Most new authors think the hardest part is writing the book. But the truth is, the hardest part is finding readers. Here's why audience building first matters. 1. Books do not sell themselves. Even amazing books disappear if no one knows the author. 2. Publishers now look at your platform first. Agents want to know your audience size before they look at your manuscript. 3. You get feedback before writing an audience helps you shape the book, so you write what they need, not what you guess they want. 4. Launching becomes easy. Instead of begging people to buy your book, you announce it to a warm audience that already trusts you. 5. Your book becomes a business. An audience turns one book into paid speaking coaching courses, consulting more books. So yes, audience comes first, not the other way around. Your audience is not everyone. If you try to reach everyone, you reach no one. You need your ideal reader avatar, the one person who will love your book. Ask yourself, what problem does my future book solve? Who is struggling with that right now? What does that person search for online? What questions do they ask? What keeps them awake at night? Give your avatar a name, age, job, and personality. Example, if you're writing a productivity book for single mums, your avatar might be Sarah, 31, works full-time, overwhelmed, needs simple strategies to manage work and kids. When you know who you're writing for, your audience building becomes clear and focused. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick one main platform, then expand later. Here's where different audiences live. YouTube, people who love deep, helpful content. TikTok, readers of fiction, romance, lifestyle, humor. Instagram, visual storytellers, personal brands. Facebook groups, niche communities. LinkedIn, business, leadership, career books. Email list, your most loyal readers. Podcast, long-form storytellers, experts. Your goal right now is not to be famous. Your goal is to show up consistently where your future readers already spend time. Now, the fun part, content. Before writing your book, you must create small pieces of content that prepare your audience for the big book coming later. What kind of content should you create? Think of these as mini versions of the ideas in your upcoming book. Quick tips, demonstrations, personal stories, lessons learned, before-after transformations, mistakes to avoid, myths to debunk, inspirational insights. Example, if your book is about overcoming heartbreak, your content could be 5 things I learned after my breakup. Why letting go is so hard. How to rebuild your life after heartbreak. Your audience starts to associate you with that topic. And when the book arrives, they say, "Oh, I've been following her. I trust her. I want that book." A lot of people post once or twice and complain, "Why am I not growing?" Because consistency grows trust. Trust grows audience. Audience grows book success. Let's break this down. 1. Post weekly long-form content. This could be YouTube videos, blog posts, podcast episodes. Long content builds authority. 2. Post daily short-form content, shorts, reels, TikToks. This is how new people discover you. 3. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, do polls, ask what they're struggling with. Your audience will literally tell you what to write in your book. 4. Collaborate. Appear on podcasts. Collaborate with authors in your niche. Go live with someone who shares your audience. Your network is your shortcut. This is the most important part of building an audience. Platforms change, algorithms change, apps disappear, but your email list belongs to you. Offer something free to get people to sign up. A free chapter, a checklist, a mini guide, a short PDF, a quiz, a template. You need at least 500-1,000 email subscribers before launching a book. This is how smart authors write books that actually sell. Before writing your book, Test titles, test book covers, test chapter ideas, ask your audience what they want more of. Do polls create videos based on the book topic? Watch what gets the most engagement, the content that performs best. That's what your book should focus on. A powerful trick: create a 10-minute version of your book idea on YouTube. If it gets great retention and comments, people want this book. If not, adjust your angle before writing. This saves months of work. So remember, you don't build an audience after writing your book, you build it before. You do it through clarity, consistent content, sharing value, nurturing your community, and giving people a reason to trust you. By the time your book is ready, your audience will be waiting for it. Not the other way around. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. I'm starting my author journey. I'll see you in the next video.